Abusia asemwato eye wotumfo na danfo Prince Charles enua Prince Andrews na ye behwese de emra esi eye adwuma ewo obi krom to the extent say eye obi a wo ye prince na chese abusia ye kan say wo royal family ye behwese de emra ene no edi ewo obi krom what ase yes na ye de abetoto ye de ho ewo ye krom to the extent say ye de so bi eye titire kitua bi esa nipa ne yenka na asem ewo court mesramo yenkohwe de ekoi ene de ato wo tumfuo na danfo yi eye Prince Charles na mesramo before be ko emu deep eye de ato wo tumfuo adanfo Prince Charles new Prince Andrews no ye ni kan enfa complain bia United States omo president eye about Africa ho ye ba behwe de echegu ewo United Kingdom.
We have some major breaking news coming from the United States of America. The United States of America is now telling Russia and China to get out of Africa immediately. They are saying that China and Russia are the countries that are manipulating Africans. Now, if you look at any country that has ever developed in Africa, it was not a colonist of maybe Britain or the United States of America. It was related to Russia. Look at Libya. Libya was a friend of Russia, and everybody in Libya had a house. They had their own oil they were selling. Their minerals was for them, like they were developing their country. Education was free. People are being paid for just being born in Libya. Just imagine, now the United States of America is saying, we know that Russia and China have entered into Africa and they are manipulating Africa. And yet all those years the European nations have been in Africa and there has never been any development. You can see what is happening in Burkina Faso. You can see what has happened to all the countries that were colonized by France. You can see all the countries that were colonized by the British. There are no developed countries. The only developed country that was in Africa and now it is in tatters is Libya. But by then Putin was not the president of
Abusia. Yes, not just Africa for the omoji omo anu do mo question ni pa foforo nsa omuni bibia say yaji yakon ya de ho. Imagine say ojo nwa free ye can say western phone nsem na do ho koje Putin sa thinking say ehonom na wo ye safe masa obi e be pia foforo so na wonya wuwi a wa ye o ye de wo pe watch as yes abusia ntisa wo je ho ananka wa je ho ndi ehunu say Africa wa je ho tisa de aman bia agigi wo mo atete wo mo hun enye say fe na do ho akosha Russia ase ama wo bia san be control okay omo no munim kwan mo fa so eyo mo no ma mesra mo yentinsim e wo tumfo eside de ayede esi ene de eko eye otumfo adafo Prince Charles nimia Prince Andrews jensha de atono ene se de emra esi eye adwuma ewo mu krom to the state say abusia Prince Moa jensha de omudi ni fam
Prince Charles enua be ma Prince Andrew ena ne ho akire ne yo emra ene ni dini se fe.
His Majesty the King has today initiated a formal process to remove the style, titles and honours of Prince Andrew. This statement coming into us in the last 10 or so seconds from Buckingham Palace.
In the title as a prince, no, Jeffrey Ninsem. Emre bi atwa mu, oni abayewa bia na onye ndru ni mpani fie so, edi agobone ewo mpem. Na abayewa no akosanto ya che. Se ope justice. Na afei ena abayewa no etimi akon edi nkuni mu a. Ama Buckingham Palace said the King Charles enua bema Prince Andrew eyeye no. Entwa yie. Enti saa de ne title as a prince no. Eyade ya Jeffrey Ninsem. Afei so edan a wotim efia wotim a eye ejapade e de ma akonya no nso no. Eyade a mbeyi na firim no be de nakọ a private accommodation. Abayewa na wofo e de nkrata ba bonten. Na ne busuafo e kiremu a wose asem isi ye ache na oma ko ache because omo ni bi omo nsemfata wonom efiri America an ordinary home na eye asem abeto woni Prince adehye e wo UK na afei obi a womo ebusuomo nsemfata omatima di asem isu nkonim ni de wonom ani age pa na Royal Palace enso de nsemi ba bonti kiremu se what's a title our Jeffrey Prince Andrew ensem no what the Bobby akoko se emra okromase mo amudi mutumi esisi nkwada ni titru emaiwa munhwe.
Their Majesties wish to make clear that their thoughts and utmost sympathies have been and will remain with the victims and survivors of any and all forms of abuse.
Abusia na imagine Ghana common soldier akobo obi asum na obenya amanfo defending no na soldier ni no na nebuafu na we soldier ni na akire se we say wa bra obi kurum a whole prince abusia Ghana anka efa ne say President Mahama ne ma watch us here na abusia wo de punishment ma wo mo de mu odin a whole prince abusia say so mo idina free so asan so I just say almost stripping naked obi kurum emra ye adwuma obi kurum abusia enye asem ketwa na so ye kurum de so jani kobo wo ba sum oba so jani wakobo wo ba wonka wonye wo hwe yansoma wo ne ho abusia chese wakobo na sum amanfo nkasa ni ntia na you know say the amanfo keka na Ghana papa say it means say Ghana for kra and I said me no adwuma just because Ghana papa kra wotumi which I said me no mi na nkasa jani ni kobo yesuma ke foolish case because say your papa yes anu mani bi ntianka enko ba bia but one will be kurum emra adwuma na so obehunu Ghana fo moa egugu Ghana na omo se kwoti abrofo ise abrofo no na ama omo bra enkosu yi rather than so omo be blame omo mpani fon kwase afo moa jimi yo mwa se omo even ya don court kra ni ade me court judge ni no hwemanim sa ka kira me se asem ne de medifo but lasawa abusia lasawa judge ni no sa so twa le hu bi sa me se adan unim mpanimfo ana because obi a no si medifo no afi wo hwe se de asem ni si corner o sare so twa na wo be sam se adan minim panimfo ana watase na chese Ghana de wonim panin ana se bibia mu a ye de wo ko ya na chese ye kobua ofo ana se ye ko ya de omo ye den omo abe entamse we aye bi asi e wo bi krom ami ma waso ate bi.
If I was the young lady in that pharmacy, even though the young lady's father is a big man in the army,
unim senior man ya wakase a security expert e wo Ghana ha say na wo react to soldier ni no asotro our ball lady no wo react to it the entire na ka say lady no you can say all the angels say those different soldier ni no not ube say Ghana though no someone work on some way somehow metinase pe me understand the metinase but all the yentie nimbra answer.
And he might have stayed in the barracks and he know behavior patterns and the trends of soldiers. If I was that young lady in the pharmacy, a military officer walks in, very angry before he walks in, and I'm Richard Kumado, I wouldn't dare speak to him. But this is a young lady, knowing that the father is a soldier, he wants to make a peace, and that is why he beat her up. But if I was a young lady, I wouldn't speak a word to him. After all, he didn't come to talk to me. I would have walked away or stand there quietly and look at him. The point I'm making is that psychology plays a part. The environment you find yourself plays a part. The situation you are faced with plays a part. And there are different kinds of soldiers and different kinds of law enforcement officers trained for different kinds of situations. So the general public must be aware and must know the environment they find themselves in and the nature and the kind of reactions they are going to receive when they meet law enforcement officers in a particular order.
Abusia, yes, we need the ya working. One utie na mini ni say you can say ebia or kase bia no chine say on say the course no. Say you fan say so jani no. Ekita na ka wo yidibo lady pay ya ka wonko no. Anka asam no mo bechi no o mo be jeli no ekura waku no imagine sanka wo ye ni bibi naka wo hete no more than bibia wo bo ni pra no ebi ode ni sabo na ni na ka fa nsam no kase na ni aseya anka no sesi ano ye chi tum jeli no kra ano no di wani ni beba back no but wo pese wo kire say sometimes wo find yourself a situation bi mu a used to wadwen hunu ekwan a obefa so asemi true sad situation dem apie because you say a bema and the what me akwa dwan news a bema and the wakwa survive what I say and to say obekwa koyo ho bema ama at the end no waji wani so de who you so adwenya edru ba bi e beboa ntimi nyin ni se wo kan style so je ni no ya de say wo bo again but wo chire ka wan ka again betimi afa so a preventing no from bia damages and something like that. Subscribe to your channel for update now amazing aka you talk too much. Memfa wo ANC ahase